I'm Dr. Lutzmiri, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So I'm going to take the topic Cloud Deployment Model for the subject CCS 335 Cloud Computing. So cloud deployment models. The demand for cloud computing has given rise to different types of cloud deployment models. The cloud deployment models are based on similar technology, but they differ in scalability, cost, performance, and privacy. Scalability in the sense it can be extended to any number of systems. So it is not always clear which cloud model is an ideal fit for a business. We cannot say that. So the requirement varies from enterprise to enterprise, customer to customer. So decision makers must factor in computing and business needs. So they need to know on what different types of deployment models they can offer. So they may have the customer will have the consumer will have the needs. So they have to know what are the deployment models available, which one they are willing to undertake for their business. So cloud deployment. So what is a deployment? Cloud deployment is a process of building a virtual computing environment. It typically involves a set of one of the following platforms: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Deploying to the cloud providers, organizations with flexible and scalable virtual computing resources. A cloud deployment model is a type of architecture a cloud system is implemented on it. So the models differ in terms of management, ownership, access control, and security protocols. So there are 5 popular deployment models, 5 most: public, private, virtual private, VPC, hybrid, and community model. So we'll see one by one. So the cloud deployment models are private cloud, customer and a data center. Public cloud, we will be having the data center. Community cloud is a customer with a shared data center. Hybrid cloud, it may be the combination of any three. So we'll see one by one. Private cloud. Private cloud is a customer's internally hosted data center is regarded as a private cloud. So if we add a virtualization and automation, such as a setup may very well regarded as a private cloud. A professional cloud vendor may also offer a private cloud to their customers by supporting a separate hardware environment in the data center. A private cloud is most suited for sensitive data where the customer is dependent on a certain degree of security. Private clouds lose the economy of scale compared to a public cloud. So virtual private cloud, a private cloud of offspring is a virtual private cloud. So it's one of the type of virtual private cloud. So this is virtual and not physically. That separated cloud offering normally run in a public cloud center. So how the access will be given? Access is given through a secure connection, that is virtual private network, and access may also be restricted by the physical location of the user, that is within the customer firewalls. Hybrid cloud, as the name hybrid, it's a combination of both private and public. This is a setup that is much used for large companies. Virtual data is usually preferred in a private cloud and supporting services in public, for instance search, email, blogs, customer relationship management, and so on. So in other words, strategic applications are run separately. The strategic applications will be taken by the topmost management of the enterprise. Community cloud always allows systems and services to be accessible by the group of organization. So what it will do? It will share the infrastructure between the several organizations from a specific community. It may be managed internally by organizations or by the third party. The community cloud model is shown in the diagram. So community cloud model will have the combination of organization and organization too. So they may be related to, they may have the collaboration with the working style or the services they provide. So they will be integrated into community cloud. So we'll have the comparison of, so far we have seen, so what are the various deployment models? We'll compare. So the deployment model, what are the advantages and the disadvantages of that? So we'll see one by one. Cloud models, public. So pros or advantages: high scalability, flexibility, cost effective, reliability, and location dependence. These are the features. So the consequences will be the less secure, less customizability. So we have to use what is given. So you cannot have your own thing. So private, so it's more reliable, more control over the data, high security and privacy, cost and energy efficient. So cons will be lacks of visibility, scalability, limited services, security breaches and data loss. Community, more secure than public cloud, low cost than private cloud, more flexible and scalable. So the consequences will be the data segregation, responsibilities allocation within the organization, hybrid cloud should have high scalability, low cost, more flexible and more secure. Security, if you want the security your data to be more secure, you can have hybrid. So consequences, security complaints, infrastructure dependent. Thank you.